In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to write children's storybook up to 10,000 words that you can sell on Amazon and make at least $100 daily. Remember, on this channel, I share tips, strategies, and opportunities on how to make money online. So if you want to keep getting this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell. So right now, let's go over to ChatGPT. So currently, we are actually on the Chat GPT site, and we are going to be doing something amazing right now. This is actually super easy. This AI has made things super easy for everyone. There is no excuse to why you shouldn't be leveraging on opportunities like this to make money online for yourself. So right now, I want to write a 10,000 words storybook about a dog and its owner. So I'm just going to say, I like to use kindly. Kindly write a 10,000 words story. Okay, um children story book about a dog named Ron and about a dog named Ron who loved his human owner named Lucia. So guys, I want to get a story on this is going to be like the background of the story. So I'm just going to give the AI this instruction and click on send. So right now, just watch what this AI would do here. It's actually really awesome, like super, super awesome. Although I'm not of the opinion that you should just copy and literally paste what the AI has written. Take your time to also read it. You could actually find maybe one or two places that you want to add your own spice into it. But if not, you read it and you love what you see, why not go ahead and actually use whatever you get from this AI to make money online for yourself. This is an opportunity that you should not ignore. In this time, you should not ignore it. This is actually awesome. This is a beautiful thing. Guys, can you see this? It just keeps writing and writing and writing and writing, generating ideas on the story. And this is beautiful, to be honest with you. This is very beautiful. If you haven't started leveraging on this opportunity, you could actually meet people and tell them, I can write a storybook for you and they will pay you for it. And you can come over to ChatGPT, get ideas, get inspiration, get content for the book, and you can actually start selling them. This is a whole lot of opportunity that I don't think anyone should actually not be using it. So now the story is done, and this is it. But this, I don't think this is going to get to the capacity I want it. So you can just write can you continue the story? So let's wait. Say it's going to continue. So like after moving from happily ever after, I came back. So as they grew older, blah 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 blah. And guys, this is actually awesome. This is going to save you a lot of time. It's going to save you time that you waste in trying to think of ideas for the book you want to write. This AI is going to help you. Like, this is awesome. To be honest, I don't know what to say. This is very, very awesome. So all you need to do now is to copy this content and paste into your Word document and continue like your editing. I know this is not a video on Amazon KDP or how to create your storybook. This is just a video on how to get the content for your storybook. So make sure that you leverage on this opportunity. Don't waste time. So this is going to be the end of the video. If you know you got value so far, you can drop a comment in the comment section. And if you have any video that you would like me to do, you can also leave a comment in the comment section. I will actually do that for you. So make sure you don't sleep on this opportunity. Make good use of this opportunity while it lasts.